Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to share with you amazing remedy guys, a formula to remove wrinkles permanently and fine lines and to get 16 years old looking skin with very simple ingredients guys. You can prepare this remedy, yet it's very effective. So guys, the first thing we'll need to prepare this remedy in a clean mixing bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of natural honey. And then my friends, add 1 teaspoon of salt. And then my friends, add 1 teaspoon of water. And then add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And mix the ingredients very well like that. Once you mix the ingredients, apply it on a clean skin that has no makeup or dust, and guys, you need to apply it like that. And it's very effective guys. Honey has natural antibacterial and has vitamin C that actually removes the wrinkles permanently. So once you apply it, you'll find your skin actually getting shiny a little bit. And leave it guys for 45 minutes and then wash it with warm water, and you'll see actually your skin glowing very much. And this is amazing for wrinkles guys. By using this remedy twice a week, you will get rid of wrinkles permanently. And I hope that video will help you too guys. Don't forget, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to never miss effective remedies.
So that was it guys today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you. And if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas. And also like those, that will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.